Replacement parts are available for your enMotion 8-inch automated towel dispenser from GP Pro. You can order replacement parts by going to www.gppro.com or calling 1-866-435-5647. Replacement covers for the enMotion automated towel dispenser are available in black, white, or gray. To remove the existing cover, unlock the cover using the access key. Locate the hinge rod and slide the rod to the left to release the cover. Align the new cover and replace the pin. To remove the chassis, first open the cover using the access key. Open the battery cover and remove the batteries. Remove the 2 screws located inside the battery compartment and remove the existing chassis. The replacement chassis can then be slid into place and the 2 screws inserted. Don't forget to reload the 4 batteries. The roll holders can easily be removed and replaced. The enMotion 8-inch automated towel dispenser from GP Pro. That's confidence at work.